Good morning, students. Hope all of you are fine. In last class, we learned how to create a web page. So we have created this web page, web. So if I am opening this file, you see it is opening in this way, like it is opening our web page. Now what we have to do if we want to we want to make some changes in this file. So for that purpose, I am closing this. Right click here, click on open with notepad. Now you can see your notepad. This is called source code. So now if you want to see the source code, you can see from here. Now you can see in last class we have done doc type HTML. For HTML5 we have to write this doc type. It was not used in earlier version. Then HTML tags tells the starting and ending of HTML coding. Head tag will contain header information, that can be meta information, that can be information regarding any scripting language. Then title tag is used to give the title of the web page. Meta tag is used for inserting more information that will not be displayed on the browser, like author name, content, this way. Closing of head tag, body tag. Whatever will be written in this body tag, that will get displayed on the screen. So in last class we have done p tag and br tag. You know the difference between br and p. P tag is used for inserting a new paragraph. Br tag is used to insert a new line. Paragraph tag will insert a paragraph along with paragraph settings. So all these things we have done in last class. Today we are starting next tag, that is inserting a blank space. So here we have inserted the space. I am increasing the space by pressing space bar key. I am saving this file. I have told you in last class, whatever changes you are doing in your file, every time you have to save those changes. So I have saved this. Now I am opening my file. You can see in this file there is no difference, because for inserting the space, more than one space, we have to use some special characters. These special character is called ampersand NBSP. The symbol is called ampersand. So ampersand NBSP is used to insert more than one space. So now if you want to increase the space, then you can insert it as many times as you want. You can copy paste it. Now I am saving it, and now I am refreshing this file. So now you can see the difference. The space is here now. Earlier it was not coming. So if we want to give more than one space, then we have to use the special symbol, that is called NBSP. In the same manner, if you want to use greater than and less than sign, ampersand GT and ampersand LT you can use, because here this greater than and less than symbol is used for inserting tags. But if we want to use these symbols, then we have to use ampersand GT, ampersand LT. Next tag is comment tag. What is comment? Basically we use comments for inserting that type of information that will not displayed on the browser. That is for our reference only. For example, here I am inserting comment. So this is the way to insert the comment. Exclamation symbol, then two hyphen symbol, then you can type the text here. Text can be any text. Then This is the way to close it. Now no exclamation symbol will be there. You have to just put the two hyphens. This is called comment. So comment is used to insert such type of tags that you don't want to display on the browser, but that is for your reference only. So this is the way to type the comment. One more method is there. You can use comment tag. Whatever will be written here, that will also considered as comment. If you are using comment tag this way, then you have to close the comment. But if you are using this method, then no need to close. This is an empty tag, but this is container tag. There are two methods to insert the comment. I am again saving the changes. Now I am refreshing it. You can see I have used comment 2 times just after starting the body tag, but in your output you can see there is no comment. So whatever you will type in comment tag, that will not get display on the browser. This comment tag is used for just our reference. So see very carefully this format bit up, because it is very important from examination point of view. How to insert this comment? Exclamation symbol, then 2 hyphens. While closing, you have to just use 2 hyphen symbols. There will be no exclamation while closing it. So this is your comment tag. Now the next tag is your HR tag. Suppose in this output you can see, if you want to divide this file into 2 parts. So for that purpose we can insert a horizontal line. To insert any horizontal line, we have to use HR tag. I have just used HR tag. Now you can see the difference. I am just refreshing it. You can see this horizontal line. This is because of HR tag. HR stands for horizontal rule. Horizontal rule means you want to display a horizontal line or rule, that is this. Some attributes are also there along with this HR tag. First one is size. I am putting here 10. You just see the difference. You can put this values of attributes in double quotes. I have saved it. Now refresh it. You can see the difference. Earlier very thin line was there. Now it is more thicker. Now again I am changing the size. Instead of 10, I am putting here 50. Control S for saving, F5 for refresh. These are the shortcut keys. So here you can see now the size is more larger. One more attribute is there, that is width. Width value you can put in percentage also. I am putting here 50%. Now I have saved it. You can see this. By default for HR, alignment is center. That's why it is showing in center. Although I have not mentioned any alignment, but it is coming in center. So you can see the difference. So is it clear? Size and width. Width is this way and size is this way. So don't get confused between size and width. Next is color. Suppose I am giving here color red. Again I am saving it. Refresh. You can see the difference. Now it is coming in red color.